Na me video na me kan say omo demonstration will be asi baby bebre na say omo climate change demonstration in England nkofo demonstration will be asi baby Ghana police mo hu say ene parliamentarians ne ba isi ho no na mo komachi na mo piam na mo komachi parliamentarians never easy one. You guys wanted to do the normal thing now, but who said that they are not doing. And the NDC parliamentarians, how much I say? And yesterday, they were not pimp and perform as one economy do more about tight hole. And no one can say sorry on mobile easy one. Yeah? In a man, we are yet police if we. And yesterday, the 2 tower, and one is a woman panel kumu. So they know my yache or mem had to do, and some people must stand up and talk about it. Ghana police say, yeah, they talk with our and just say like unhunipa, like kuno. Ghana police obe kun was so young robber. And go for any some demonstration, no matter how peaceful it is, no papa born. And the parliamentarians, NDC parliamentarians, omu now sorry about easy. Wait me parliamentarians 100 and so wait me out to 2 somehow they went to me on tutu. Law students decided to demonstrate. Law students, obi osian law. Then pa no mo beye. Law students decided to demonstrate. One ma perform what dey na nsuohie gum no. Obi o head the police were akurasi baby. Oba nkran hu sa dey na bi da. Enti ye nu nsuohie no na students never na also miagu am so. Sa suban na mo dey ti o mem ha no Ghana police. Eni bia abadodo and MPs no minority MPs no honorables one no mo bo time no mo buy electoral commission. Last week NDC for young small ones na buy no na mo afetu. Why do we even always have military on the streets? Every 1 minute and for every go so okwa ho there will be military and police. Bibia military and police e wo kwan so. That's mo ntime ncham robber see so ke de biam robber de biam robber. Bibia military and police asamo ko war Iraq mutu mo Ghana ha enkofo bi attack war ben na mo betumi akọ mo ko ye peacekeeping this ade no war ben na betumi akọ just mo ehu ya totuo na egu ho ene ya to machine na dey heating suo no ene sa anyoma no ye dia kuta mo enti just mo ehu se enkofo ko demonstration no ye nkobo mo Techiman South Ghana G independent nipa ba akokura hu Ghana G independence. Oh my Ghana nyina independence nipa ba kokora hu ye to aba wo Techiman South high parliamentary enkofo obegina ho so mo ba bi hu na anam di to ahwe nipa no mo kunipa 3 ankwasi asem sei ni so kokora because me police mi shenyi no for no bi aye din and MPs ne ba ye no ka mo ba ye mo den wu nua na gina ho a wu ye police ni e na wu nua gina ho ye koto ye independence for the whole Ghana obi enwu. Yeah, to about Techiman South. Then say NDC force omo be jubilate so omo be demonstration say den na nipa 3 ya to omtu no omo awu na mote ha say ye wona na Akufo-Addo or ye president or ye human rights lawyer enkwasi asem say mo so nkwasi asem so wo go kan say plus na we ye MPP ni nti no ejimi sem say kwekunipa ye wo president or ye human rights lawyer. And nobody no investigation into how any people and fan home. That's yes, a president or a human rights lawyer. Constitution nature say and for protest, just notify police. And for no be jina honano, and also police this soldier tutu no move. Yeah, yes, you are president or a human rights dying or human rights wine. But that's something be done to make catcher. We are there be done make catcher. The Akufo-Addo ye human rights lawyer. Ye independence wo memu ha. Obi enwu ye to aba na nipa omo ewu. Just election way. Because training ye. And then parliamentarians no man kasa sorry about parliament wo. Sir, and then ye be kan asem wa. Senkeye another group of ABI infant say NDC group bi ene ba ya and can no police phone so for boy be bo mo no mo yo beti kweti no nkutedua mun ko Iraq war ni bi mun ko Afghanistan ni ade mun ko ho ye kokoti na mo ye ne Mukuta de bia mo de ma moda na mu tutuo na mu kunipa. Enti wuni an enti mo de jaza wo de wuni tima manipa. Ghana police bibie ni ani akofo soja fo aka no be gina kom. Enti wo ye soja ni na wo ye police ni a. Sabe won fa wadwen ye adwuma. Wo ka pe na wo nuanom na wo police ni mu ni soja na mo afra wo na kwame da no de wudi gu ye sanka ba me pengu mo so na nka me ye den. Ya je independence ama o man obi enwu. Ye to aba na nipa bebre ewu because akoye se opotan ballot box police ba ye pe no man nsa so even in war obi man nsa so a then obey just arrest the person yes ya boni tuo ya boni namu tuo sia nipa no so wa man nsa so e de nyansa o man mu ati nyansa de ena obi a asam no bebia o se ye deal with asam obi a ko obi a NDC MPP ho no pe na hia o ko obi a ya de man nsa so enya che na obache no eno so ya tutuo am the bulletin you discan na eto your student here demonstration am obo makola ma si kom so be demonstration si am obo we for demonstration mo be bo we for na demonstration mo be tutuo na obi ewu just say me green ho amenti ase say tutuo no mo go sua won hefa and then NDC MPs over 100 o nyina bo mo tai na o mo aba yisi ho ade na na de mo ambo mo ade na na de mo antumutuo no na mo tetare mo ho we won't let you go honorable stand there honorable neighbor no police ni di nachi as the bodyguard ya ma MPs ni nyina police baako e na wo so wugina ho say wo hwe isi e na mu police mo nko an abena jana honorable don't go honorable stand here na mot na hona politicians ni yusu mo saa obehu anu na party ne fi abem na ayi police ni even kwesi fori we wan party ne ko na we say won na mkan kuma say yehu om saa wo na nka Bruce NDC lose election ni kasa no obi ehwe mu jono politicians yusu mo saa do na ban na free power na won na ho yehu om de bia aban mo ba ya na ban na yusu mo saa yehu saa nti mo de mo nsia ade ewo na sa wo ye police pani na sa wo wo mamu ha na say wo nananom ka kire wa na say wo hu independence struggle the how many years fighting with the British to gain independence obian na say yeto aba na say wo kunipa wa dwen ye aduma British na na omo akode wi ase omo akonka ba bia Ghana for nya independence omo British your friends Ghana for no your friends apart from ajete ni hwan ya yes sa ajete ni hwan ko demonstration what is say Ghana for your demonstration your friends your friends independence time any person na what is omo ewu any person modi e kakra na soja ni gina the police ni gina ho kakra no gina ho and nobody is talking about the people who have died in Techima and South yeku omo e normal like omo ewu e normal na time Akufo-Addo or starting the struggle to gain for democracy. Now you come president. Obi born to and no president. Obi born to and no president. The constitution protected him to do whatever he wants to do. Echo through all the struggle. Obi Akufo-Addo to. Yeah, to abana mempene 1999 2000 election. New and no me koso kroma. Obi Akufo-Addo to or a human rights lawyer. Techima and South point na nipa 3 on kan hwe wisa Akufo-Addo there on Akufo-Addo yoku ani sa do mahama ya de bi na mempa make say don't let it go because of your own image and your own reputation. I will just let it go but no interest say bi me support Akufo-Addo dem get support a chew because the guy is just a trick. The guy is he's just a scam. He says one thing and does another thing. He is not what we thought he or yet. Now the Tranzana Akufo-Addo win election. Akufo-Addo win election. Me family home. Akufo-Addo win election. No, na mokra sasa. You don't even understand what governance. Akufo-Addo win election. Where they woman. It's no more Techima seat, no more brand of person, or more real for seat by force. You know, like I said, Hamati, no need to go. Let the country move on. Would they want to make my seat back on? Would they want to maintain us here? mu pese mu ye ne mu be ye bia the GC to different crop and say do Muhammad here on ti ase na mu de mu ti ase say look the human seat we lost let it go na Ghana no ko ni ma no de ye wo pesisi mu de san peti konwi wo bo obra anka ani wo pesisi mu de san peti konwi wo bo obra anka anu ni ye deserve bia na free SHS mo kwasi asem na mu di wo krom ha no hwe ne ye di mu obesi ye tumufo amonte we also we need election we need election jubilate here go be the parliament go be the kwe speaker and how can MPs no mo nominate speaker mo nyina beto am speaker no mo be hu se for me na MP no enyo no na e kingmaker every MP bia ye kingmaker and am nim sa every MPP sa mo koto aba na for me na ni no beto ma na 2 MPs anto am be den ti say wo so wu MP bia every MP ye kingmaker and asam na ana adena is mo nti ase everybody can be president which family home ben I don't care me anya Kennedy Japan friend or the phone man and I don't come me family phone friend and I do me correction and I do me funny me like me dey den go nipa no mu yen nipa papa o ja say o mu yen nipa papa o mu yen nipa papa na me ni watwam me ni watwam obia nso obia yen obia o mamu ha wonya wade afa I'm going to Facebook man. Me say, and you know what can I me for phone or friend me or the man and I will never go and look for them. I don't want to know them. I don't want to be a punya me dey. You know my phone cost or mem ha mum person obi abeka. Mum person obi abeka say ade e cost na ye. Ya to abana nipa me ensan because of them. Because omo be gina ho ana say omo ye dedi ana say omo be hye dan no. Nipa boni vo before man na etina de bia mo yare na mo hospital in and out de bia mo ko in and out munim ho the way na ye de tete mo no de bia mo yare na mo hospital in and out no munim ho a mo me kan munim ho won the way ye mo no adwen boni ni enkwase asem nko a wo ye human rights ni a se nipa wu a ebe hia wo be dwen ho wo be hwehwem adwen boni sika moji we airport yaka abana mo nka we your friend say mo ye lusu ni nyina na mo wiwe mo amode besi no munim the reason and no we ya ye start here that na ye ka no and no na di mo besi by this time it is a nyansan wo binum tirimu a on be chance aka say look sa for we years we I will say you green I me o ka say me be chance say MPP for we ni legend be hwehwe no me be hwehwe no ma ye me den be hwehwe ma ye me den me be hwehwe ma ye den MPP for no be 10 omo nyina pese we ya flag bearer afi na me be hwehwe omo ewi ni omo last one omo ko me be hwehwe kwa me hwehwe me hwehwe obi a me MPP no me se me mpewu me hwehwe me kwa hwehwe alan na me ba go ye Dogati na me ba go hwehwe ayi e brother say ayi ba ku yo adan ni mu omo nyina omo ko flag bearer me be hwehwe wa ye den mu dia mo time na twam ade anye na enye ye kan mu nti se ade na wo ye na enye sit ntechima no mo alusu sit mo fa mankrofo no mo fa president no mo nyina mo pasum bi oba mo mpa justice asam wo kan wo tu agyamo afo no na wo tu momonefo wo tu agyamo agyinamo afo no na wo tu momone nsofo na aso bi aba na ye nyina ya dan peace na pese mo chinchim nkrofo no zaji bibia na police force di akire like me the police ni wo ni nua wo fie police force di akire de bia police Ghana demonstration enti mu de mu hu ani bie ya baby ase Black Lives Matter demonstration ya na say see ya wa America ba bia omo kwa de omo see the whole community and 90% of this omo ewu what is say ya 90% of this abom to ya bo we to America mu to chen America for Ghana mu to chen America for mu wo soldier ne police chen America for Black Lives Matter demonstration 90% na mo te so omo ewu the whole America ube mu na whole community dan na the what is obi ewu mo de obi nya ma billboard so sa signboard nke tinke ni disi kwan obi nya kamsi kwan wo pe no ma foto no makunu che se me green ho a enti wo ye police ni a na se wo ye madamfo sa de wo ye koso wo mamu he eye even nipa ya try omo the last time that human beings were executed in this country lawfully 1993 after that ye fa nipa pon court enkodi na sem emfa ni megina ho se ye bekunu. But the election and Kofobi ye de so why they move free hanko near boat when any patri. We are the channel of the stories and ye to ye. Boys are most suspect so many armed robbers near Kunzungu 47. We say I say omo armed robbers. Chese Ghana police me de bia me kan me yibie from o say ni papa wo mu anye yie no ayi Dr. Dampare ne Kofi Boache no mi ade nyina o me police fu o mu ye o madwuma o mu ye ne pepepe o mu ye adwuma na o mu ye ne pepepe na obi o ha o na mu se chese minim adwen a wo wutiri mu a enti obi ye demonstration na wadwen se ye ko demonstration ye ko ede ye koku nipa na ade na constitution no ya tro wo mu se enkofo to me ye demonstration enkofo to me ye protest ade na ya tro wo constitution no na they say na ye wa aban mu enti aban no o ma fan say ye police point ye nkoku nipa enti no ye kwa ye koku nipa na saying Black Lives Matter ye demonstration in America protest Black Lives Matter o ye protest in America police ni penny o jina say no me I'm not here I'm going to police for or say I'm joining the protesters no because they're protesting for something about war mine police ni penny or say some start some sheshe ni o ma de end meant ase but protesting they also mo ye the police supports the protest and the mo kasa mo fa mo adwen ye adwuma kakra mo fa mo adwen ye adwuma what the area and for some year demonstration at the finding ye demonstration aban by no police ni wo sika obi na wa fa to se be koku omo wa gini also jina hona protect omo ye protest na omo twa aban adwen ba so wa what the area ho bi e kwan ne ye enipa na ebre enipa na se ye koye protest ne aban abaye kwan no wo wa fa to se me ba na be kumu jimie se chasa Ghana ha de me nim the way ya yen ya dwen o enti papa for na wo police service no mu no e wo some start year reforms o se no ma bebre sesa obia wo life ba ko ha me wu a me kosin samankwan o e se me wu a obi enwu bie mu what be that me wu a me kosin samankwan mo yusu wanka say yusu wadwen na da wutiri mu ni bi because politicians go krom hadin some fun and if the people don't rise up who ye police ni na say ye beto abai who ye police ni ye beto abai aban say wo increase wo pay ye to abai ye yo say wo twam who won saka sika no ento mo dia mo ne asa so am na mo dibika mo se atade akuntan ne mo be gina chaza mo dia ye be yusu mu say ya who ye police ni ye beto abai ya aban ya wo sakawa abaya ya osakawa 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago ya abaya ya osakawa esu wujina wo ya kasama no ma aban ya enye papa na wujina na wu na wudi anim no watamtuo na wudi anim na okunipa enti sakawa ya aban ya we wo betu wo police betu na protest aje say yan ya protest ne say aban wo ya Ghana for sakawa dodo wo say what wo mu pay mu ya to abawie ya say na pay na nkotru say na wotwam men ya police for azansa na grofo ye protest na wo na wo kutatu na wa sha atade te se wo ko Iraq war no wo ankasa no ya ye osakawa nche bia unim se Ghana aban sakawa nko a enye MPP aban wo aban be bia ye sakawa and so you have to allow the people to protest wo fi ha wo ko Dubai wo ye COVID test no the ko Dubai wo ko Dubai ani aye test free omuni gold omuni diamond omuni timber omuni bauxite omo oil yanse wo oil ni bi wo COVID test na wo ye wo ha no wo di free ha du Dubai a no omo your test wo ho akese wo ni bia free na wo ko eso wo free ho ba Ghana wo be your test wo ho na aban na san kasa san tua 150 na wo be du ha ye be san dia your test bi biom wo tua 150 na wo du ha na wo di free ho ba no ye dia na ye se ko ya di $150 over 8 million Ghana ya di free nkwasi asem wo krom ha munim se e wo se one day citizens no e rise up near stop us nkwasi asem ni nyina and the police ni ane nkofo ankofo the protest will be peaceful every protest bia no e police for na dey nkofo na ba if police don't go and attack the people the protest will be very peaceful and you police you have to learn to stop that thing me bomb the regional commander abaso ba ku bi oyema me de minim se we on small omodia ye be na se ye be program as plus I don't want to stop your program, but when you were that time, number boys, I can say, let's go and clash with them. Said I'll be Papa Naya idea. Yeah, dear. I see Yanyawa. Now, fast from Gambra. Me, there's another pen. Mamma was sorry, I small was a good in a room. No, we don't know Kunipan, who will me with you. And we are say, the worst thing you can do to your own self, irrespective of a human way, and it's will be Kunipan. That's the worst thing you can do to yourself. And also be a Ghana hebia Obia na green ye adwuma no ono so kana green say look these things no akoso ache dodo human rights lawyer cheresen human rights lawyer cheresen human rights lawyer cheresen obi o green nipa ye bi o green nipa ho o green nipa fa ho die nipa the rights as a human being the fundamental human rights no okun for sa nyoma no ye ku nipa 3 on kasa ye say na den and then that to have say A plus idea ye nyina na ni meguasi akufu adwemi we mu Arsenal fan na ni meguasi obi aseda we mu Arsenal fan na why disappointed obi o support Arsenal why disappointed we mu bi da Arsenal since 2006 so say you mean league when we say you mean bi na you mean hwe bi mu so still bi wo afi ni enu mu be konto kwa ni yi afi ni enu mu be hie ye ni mu be sie ni ya aban asem ye kan MPP for mo ya de na ye papa ye be ka MPP for ade amaye na ye mo ya de na ye be aban asem de ye kan be kan ya dwen a kire mu ntumi ye hu o man na ye obi ade na we are the owners of the country now we are the you can't write your history now we make actual Ghana history without me if you can't write Ghana history without your family people you cannot write Ghana history without me because in the history of Ghana once upon a time there was a man with a big mouth and a bushy hair called Kwame Plus a history ni bi no we me from Ghana they see Sana in the history of Ghana, there was Obi a friend Archipelago. In the history of Ghana, there will be a friend of a best camp. Near Frobi a Kofi Adoma, near Frobi a Bubi. Young United history no to me, yes, or mine, what they are, and we are the ruinous and the history of and not one Winya, Papa. School for primary school for crack demonstration, the crack Aden. And the young amend the constitution and show some more behind your demonstration or men here. Aden. And I'm going to say, my young Kofobidia. And this is for parliamentarians. Oh, my dear papa. Because every day, Biano, a pennyphobia and a better nature, no must man paran so monko, and no man can sorry. Until someone can say, no demonstration now. After the parliament to me, the actually, so I know, say, possible money at Chamon. It's once one man can sorry, no, or much I say. Omwe dianim afi mundi omachi sa na ye no Ghana police sa suban na wo moso no munjai untumi nku MPs 100 untumi nku tupo untumi ntutu ho honorable na botai ba the biama no vuvu honorable na botai ba no komachi ma si barike no wetutu barike no magwam honorable no na aba no afi honorable no ebetwam wo ho no monhwe na popular stand for no ye demonstration ma amasa mbehwe because ye hu say mu suro honorable Semu yehu. Honorable na bana amfumi ayonwe honorable. I don't say can honorable. Honorable for na be sin na amfumi ayehu no. Enye say bia ni magota no e so to yirifo nipa na ni ma for no person me demonstration ma for 2% goku nipa. Munye obi asa o. Honorable na ba man yehu. Mo ba so mutim say munye yehu so. Ya de bia me kan na Mackenzie so police for bia me na for muntu nkai for no fo. Enye so be frame aye say na me wi say me phone, we say na vibrating. One now from open one started framing. Oh, black man. Mutu omufo. You are to me for 2 with down for the because we go training no. It will not to board here. When kuni pada. Interview person the try ni pare. Masa. Mujai sa ade no. Your small say and a mama here to say I just don't understand. And bie abawiase o. And bie abawiase. And the China ye demonstration war. So Hong Kong, our China Infinity, yeah, demonstration for Hong Kong. Thousands of people. Hong Kong for demonstration, we so many people, so many months from your demonstration. What is in Peru? China, yeah, the most authoritarian or my autocratic or my China. Hong Kong for year demonstration for months. What is so be weird? Yeah, to abandon teaching and south and any patria. And now beyond country. Obia nka hwe eye normal omwawu aden obia so ntumi nka hwe munja sa ade no time krasesem sa ade na twam those days na wotam to na wo atwam munja sa ade no time ye be I say ye be trollete ne ye akoma Human Rights Watch ne Transparency International obia say Ghana police omo ye wudifo. And we have to tell the people, we have to tell the leadership, the leaders of this country that any patri, they have killed them. And the human rights lawyer, who is the president of this country, has not said anything. They are dead. He thanked people for voting for him. He's happy. He has won again. They are going to continue in Japan. And here and those people, they will be happy. Like, people are dead. We are happy. Thank you very much for voting for us. We have won. Family Plus has been humiliated. It's okay. Let's go. The people have died. Let's go and continue in Japan. Now we are going to do an APA. Yellow vest, for your more France, on yet protest, yellow vest, the whole France. What is OBA? The Jimmy now with your man will be uncountable. Yeah, the politicians now saying, me pass CID headquarters, and I'm a catcher commander, cybercrime unit commander say, commander. So how should we are with the tea? And no nema foot soldier. A police commissioner general na foot soldier in misbehaving because no politicians na from so we the politicians nature adia chinya na cyber crime commander no boys no ma family omo dem make court me dey me ya dan go for ni bi o omo dem court na me dey omo court yeah me lecture no akosia administrative law lecture why shira me ade shira me hey police for yesi awusu yesi we for yesi awusu yesi Fada and fat. Ghana police. When I make commands, Dr. Yankson, PhD, with the politician H. Would you just make them a grim or crime in Tiasia? Nuncle, Muslim, no massa. Shia. Me do boom. Ah, for be brio police headquarters, chief Cassin, like gentlemen. Like me, papa, and I'm them one be brinasu naming and concert and quan. Yeah, we are police in here. We are police in our bomb from, and our old oxygen. Oxygen, liquid. Catch it all. Come at me, actual. Won't you see?